Hello, look what just came in the mail. I got an incredible package from Spring Hill, which is a production company I actually did a project with, a little music, a little recipe. Y'all stay tuned for that. It's gonna be amazing. And they sent me this gift and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it pertains to the episode we filmed or what it is, but I am excited to get into it. Oh, snap. This is dope. Also, why is this book the size of me? I love it. Oh, snap. There's so much art in here, y'all. There's visual art. There's poetry. Wow. I'm gonna have to do a little deep dive on this and find out exactly why we got all this amazing color and fabulousness. NYC for Miami. Okay, I see you out here. This is dope. And I also feel like low-key, every single one of these spreads could be an amazing room poster or some kind of decoration. I'm gonna find out exactly what we got going on, and thank you so much, Spring Hill. Y'all are amazing. I had such an incredible time working with y'all, and stay tuned for a very exciting episode of Recipe for Change. Bye, y'all.